Final stages on the Cadillac. I need to paint the jambs and I need to paint the rockers on both sides. Then the doors go back on, and then the windshield and the back glass get installed, and then it goes to your upholstery shop to get the final top. And then it's time to put it back together. Of course, I got a lot of cleanup to do on it. Clean up and polish, because this thing's been through hell since I painted the main part of the car, and we found all the other stuff that had to be done. So we kind of went backwards. But it's ready for glass, and it's almost ready for doors. I'll spend the whole day tomorrow sanding and prepping and sealing this up with caulking and priming. Oh yeah, I've got a whole day's work to do here.